But while these numbers may show some light at the end of the tunnel, health officials tell us they're now concerned about variants of COVID-19, and they are keeping a close watch on those cases. Eyewitness News' Jill Wilderman is live with the latest. Jill?
Shelley, Brad, Indiana, Illinois, and Kentucky are all served by Deaconess as a healthcare provider. 23 of the cases that have gone through their testing have the COVID variant. 18 of those were suspected, and 5 were confirmed to be the UK variant.
Where we were a month ago to where we are today has been, and I don't use that word loosely, remarkable.
That's the good news. But healthcare professionals are asking that people don't let their guards down, especially in light of COVID variants, such as the UK and South African variant. Both are now in the U.S. Deaconess officials confirmed their first case of the UK variant in mid-January. The CDC says more research is needed to determine whether or not they are, in fact, more deadly, but the spread is concerning.
Most variants are not as deadly or as severe as the regular viral strain, but they can sometimes be more contagious and sometimes have slightly different presentations.
The virus continues to mutate, which creates more unknowns. Indiana now has 16 cases that are of the UK variant strain. While the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines have good efficacy against this variant, it is not as effective against some of the others that are emerging around the world. Our best hope at preventing these mutations is getting the majority of our population vaccinated, which will take many more months.
The vaccines do have promise with regards to the immunity that it will pose. In other words, those who have had the vaccine will have some immunity against some of these variants.
This is why medical professionals are stressing the importance of keeping basic COVID protocol.
But we also need to remember the masking. And I think masking by far is not necessarily for us. It's not for us to keep us from getting the disease, but rather it's more for others.
Even though many of our metrics have improved significantly, now is not the time to abandon the protections that we have put in place.
And the NCAA will hold its entire tournament in Indiana in March. Governor Eric Holcomb says plans are in place to make it a successful event and safe. Live at Deaconess Gateway, Jill Wilderman, Eyewitness News.